Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to generate voice in Google AI Studio after the new update step by step in a simple way. So let's get started. The first thing we do, click on your browser, then type Google AI Studio and press enter. Now you will see the first website in the browser. Click on it. Once the website opens, click on the Get Started button. After that, you will see different Google models available. Now click on Speech and Music Models. Once you select this, scroll and choose the latest model available in the audio section. Then click on the first option. Next thing you should do is look at the workspace area. You will see some default content or placeholders. So remove all of that and make it completely blank. Now, if you already have your own script or text that you want converted into voice, keep it ready. The next step is to select your voice. So scroll down and you will see different voice options that have been added in this update. You can choose any voice you like, but for now I will use the default voice. Now simply paste your script into the text area where you want to generate the voiceover. Once everything is set, click on the Run button. Within a few seconds, Google AI Studio will process your request and generate a high-quality voiceover for your script. You can play it, download it, and use it in your videos, ads, or any content you are creating. This new update makes it much easier and faster to generate professional voiceovers without any extra tools. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for updates.